In this video, I want to share some top tips and tricks with our line managers about our UKG HR system. The first one is opening a new window so that you can easily flit between two pieces of information. So hover over your initial just here and click on New Window. Now what I can do is perhaps have my PRPR form open on one window and then my employee goals open on another. So now as I'm filling in my PRPR form for my employee or during my employee's PRPR meeting, I can just simply have my PRPR form open on this page and then flick between the areas that I want to talk about. Next is how to make your customized dashboard. So the Home tab just here is the dashboard that we've assigned managers, but you can also create your own dashboard. So this is really handy if you find that you're having to click into areas in the system all the time and you would rather just have them on your dashboard. So once you're on the My Dashboard tab, come over here on the Edit and enable Edit mode. You can add charts and reports, but we're just going to concentrate on widgets for now. These are all the available widgets that you can have on your homepage. So just really identify the ones that are important to you. You can have up to 9 and then click Add. Once you're ready, click Apply. And this will mean that you can build your own dashboard that's very specific to what you want from the system. I really quite like the sticky notes just here. You can make a note, something maybe you need to do on the system. You can also edit it or various other functionality here as well. That's how you customize your own dashboard. Next tip and trick is how to delegate holiday requests. Perhaps you're going away yourself and you want another manager in the business to be able to review, approve or reject holiday requests from your own reportees while you're away. Go to My Account, click on My Delegations, click on Add New. You want to choose who is going to be doing your holiday requests while you're away. There's only one workflow type, and then just choose the date range that you want this delegation active for. Don't need to worry about workflow group, and then just click Add. So you can see here that we have an active delegation. I can see the date range it's going to be active from, and I can see the manager I've nominated to do my holiday request for me while I'm away. The system will automatically stop the delegation when it gets to the end date, but if for some reason you come back early, you can just literally delete. Next one is over here in the main menu. Come over on the Teams tab, go to Time, go to Time Off, and then Pending Approval. This is where you can see a list of any outstanding holiday requests. They will also be in your to-do icon just here, but if you have a lot of reportees and you perhaps want to see it in a list, you can do that from this report. From this report, you can also get into various other places. You can open the timesheet. You can have a look at the request in your to-dos. You can get into your employee information, and you can also view the accrual balances. If you want to, you can approve and reject a holiday request from this report. Let's say you have a load of requests, maybe your team's requested all the same day because something's going on. You can tick everyone and then just simply click approve, and it saves you having to do each to do. Finally, just wanted to show you something else in the team tab. If you come down to talent, go to reports, and then click on performance review report. If you have a lot of people in your channel and you want to report on everybody's PRPR score, you can do that here. It will show you the date that it was done. You can filter obviously by particular dates, particular employees, and it will also show you your review rating just here. You can sort and order it in top to low. You can also filter, add columns as you wish. And if you want to, you can save this view so that it's there for you when you next access the report.